Garlic, often referred to as nature's wonder, has been a staple in kitchens around the world for centuries. Its pungent aroma and distinct flavor make it a beloved ingredient in countless recipes, but what many people may not realize is that garlic is also a powerhouse of health benefits. In this video, we're diving deep into the amazing properties of garlic, exploring why you should consider adding more of this remarkable bulb to your diet. First, let's take a look at the history of garlic. This humble ingredient has been used since ancient times, dating back over 5,000 years. The Egyptians revered it, using it as both a food and a medicine. In fact, garlic was so valued that it was found in the tombs of pharaohs, believed to provide strength and protection in the afterlife. Fast forward to today, and garlic continues to hold a prominent place not just in culinary traditions, but also in the realm of health and wellness. One of the most well-known benefits of garlic is its ability to boost the immune system. Garlic contains compounds like allicin, which has been shown to enhance the activity of immune cells, helping the body fend off infections. Studies suggest that those who consume garlic regularly may experience fewer colds and other illnesses. Imagine having a natural shield against the common cold. It's as simple as adding a bit of garlic to your meals. But the benefits of garlic don't stop there. It's also been linked to cardiovascular health. Garlic has the ability to lower blood pressure, reduce cholesterol levels, and improve overall heart function. Research indicates that individuals who consume garlic regularly may have a lower risk of heart disease. This is largely due to garlic's ability to improve blood circulation and reduce arterial plaque buildup. So, if you're looking to keep your heart healthy, incorporating garlic into your diet could be a delicious and effective strategy. Next, let's talk about garlic's potential anti-inflammatory properties. Chronic inflammation is linked to a variety of health issues, including arthritis, heart disease, and even cancer. Garlic contains antioxidants that help combat oxidative stress in the body, which can lead to inflammation. By adding garlic to your meals, you're not just enhancing flavor, you're also potentially reducing your risk of chronic diseases associated with inflammation. Garlic is also known for its antibacterial and antiviral properties. Studies have shown that garlic can inhibit the growth of certain bacteria, fungi, and viruses. This makes it a natural ally in fighting off infections. For example, garlic has been found to be effective against strains of bacteria like E. coli and Salmonella. Including garlic in your diet may help you stay healthier, especially during cold and flu season. Another fascinating aspect of garlic is its potential role in cancer prevention. Some studies suggest that garlic consumption may be linked to a reduced risk of certain types of cancer, including stomach and colorectal cancers. The compounds in garlic, particularly sulfur-containing compounds, may help inhibit the growth of cancer cells and enhance the body's detoxification processes. While more research is needed in this area, the existing evidence is certainly promising. Garlic isn't just beneficial for physical health, it can also have a positive impact on mental well-being. Some studies indicate that garlic may help improve mood and cognitive function. The antioxidants in garlic help reduce oxidative stress, which is linked to neurodegenerative diseases. By promoting better brain health, garlic may play a role in preventing conditions like Alzheimer's and dementia. So, not only can garlic spice up your meals, but it may also contribute to sharper thinking as you age. Now, you might be wondering how to incorporate more garlic into your diet. The great news is that garlic is incredibly versatile and can be used in a multitude of ways. You can add minced garlic to stir-fries, toss it in salads, or roast whole cloves for a sweet, caramelized flavor. Garlic can also be blended into sauces, dressings, and marinades, or simply spread on bread for a delicious garlic toast. The possibilities are endless. If you're concerned about the strong taste of raw garlic, don't worry. Cooking garlic can mellow its flavor while still retaining many of its health benefits. Just be mindful not to overcook it, as excessive heat can diminish some of its powerful compounds. Lightly sautéing garlic, or adding it towards the end of cooking, can help preserve its nutritional value. For those who may not enjoy the taste of garlic, or who want to maximize its benefits, garlic supplements are also available. However, It's always best to consult with a healthcare professional before starting any new supplement regimen. Whole foods, like garlic, offer a complex array of nutrients and compounds that supplements may not fully replicate. As we wrap up, it's clear that garlic is much more than just a culinary delight. Its health benefits are vast and varied, making it a valuable addition to any diet. From boosting the immune system to supporting heart health and potentially reducing the risk of chronic diseases, garlic has earned its place as a superfood in the holistic health community. So, the next time you're cooking up a meal, don't forget to reach for that head of garlic. Embrace its flavor and reap the countless health benefits it has to offer. Whether you enjoy it raw, cooked, or in supplement form, garlic is a simple yet powerful way to enhance your health and well-being. Remember, small changes in your diet can lead to significant improvements in your overall health. So let's celebrate the power of garlic and all the goodness it brings to our lives.